entrepreneur mayama, business owner mayama, 90% of the business owners or entrepreneur ko, they end up with zero results. Kaya I'm the marketing strategies to my right marketing strategies in a day. In a sum young point I use around 18 plus companies go worldwide go plus 157 student go across the globe. Manipur so a satra music lady go the plus see me am the young pomatam moina na handi marketing term I'm not sure about that. I do not get right. At the end of the day, result to the zero result pang. So, ma'am, I am Thokchom Surmangol Singh. I'm the founder of Distinction Web Services and Thokchom. Today, I'm going to provide you my 5 marketing strategies before you start marketing. See hana ma'am kangbi over. Step number 1, the business model. Business model je hana pasana. Khangba ma darkar oiba kai no ha matam na nangi business nang hojik choose tawjeba business se scalable oibra ko oidabra scalable oidagadi kidoni kana roi ko nangna marketing the effort time money spent tawdu myam da adu kem kana ro scalable oidaba business tadi ko aduna business ki model je hana pajana khangba ma darkar daiba oh ai business you profitable oidra ko profit margin do pick taragadi na ki business to atopa machine bi over ko aduna it's a very high time call. I video saying bitar the first business holdrigana business ki model do adu scalable oibra oidabra adu oitaragadi marketing the effort hada matam da yam think kana ne ko duma number pasana hana yeng biro. That's a number 1. Number 2 da akoina kay yeng ba yage ham tam da who is the right customer se si mahanam san yeng dong ne ba sidai da kari yeng ba yage ham tam da customer duna paisa lektaba customer dudi nahaki customer ne have the yaroiba. What's the point? Inquiry lakpo kudima nangi customer ne the yaroiba aduga every person ko sidai the India da leba Manipur da world mi pum kudima nangi customer ne hadudi. That's a very wrong concept ko yon madabu yam smart oy man bone ko adu moida nangi product services so moida pamumdradi moida needful oidagadi kanamta leiroi ko. So you have to understand who is the right customer as a sima pasana khangbam dakar oeva ko nangna yonjariba product services so moida kemta value leitragadi what's the point? You're just wasting your time. So aduna nangi product services so kanaba mi thiba paisa leiba thiba sima yam thina maru oeva. That's a number 2. Aduga step number 3 da where do you find this customer? Online da thigra offline da thigra sim jo khoina pasana gyan tabam dakar oeva ko khoina online da hamatam da LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook ko WhatsApp sida kanum hajageba channel me am sida ko nangna spend to munataba nangi customer me am no khwaidigi spend to do jaga se si thidopom dakar oiba ko platform me am lamani platform me am da nangi right customer na matam khwaidigi am na spend to jaga se kadai da no once adu khangi taragadi nangi message to adu da thadaraga moi me am se pharak tu neba o attractor to neba aduna platform jima channel jima khoina phajana naina bam dakar ko not only that online khadana te offline ju mangareba khoigi club to ro adagi khoigi group communities me ama khoigi laikai do ro adagi some offline mi punham jaga me am se ko si se khoina khang daragadi ko khoigi message se thada bi gi dong ne moina kai no once nangi message na chanabam phom na chanaba thada tar obviously ko saigi customer me am se nang dum thiba matam da lai ani aduna ni traffic generation ko customer por ke hai matam da mi me am ji punham je nang na khangi taragadi ko customer por it's very easy ko. So go to the world search ko online the world offline the world sing asidagi ne thidokpa horoba ko marketing tauge hokpa matam da si hana khangdaba yaroi ko. Degi step number 4 the most important thing ko you can't miss ko lead generation ko si ena kai no ha matam da business kuningi ko goal lege dong ne ba lead generation si kai no ha hajaba matam da myam pasana tabiu ko si imbio every week every month every quarter every year ai customer kya por darkar lai ai business sida ko sigi lead myam je por matung da not only that convert to tok do neba sigi match je khoina khotragadi ko khoi business talk matam da aduki matik wa gani aduna goal lai view ko lead generation gi goal lai view aina si goal je leitragadi nang business so thamda paisa sukta ningi do adai ko horoktu sa customer duna la matung dei convert tawdune ba adu laiba customer am do mu convert muk tawsu pulap tawroi ba ko khara mu follow up ko tawduna khotna aduna every ko lead ki goal lebio ba ai hafta am dai customer kya prokani tham dai kya prokani quarterly de kya prokani ko adigi yearly de kya prokani si ma hana business to gi objective and goals of phazana laibi ba ma yam thi darkar tai ko aduga last step number 5 ko last not but the least ko what are the resources willingly to invest in marketing ko si ma hana si last step ni ko sidai sida koina nang time do oigra energy do oigra money do oigra people do oigra ko si ma hana phazana you have to get ready to invest ko your resources in this particular stuff adu natragadi ko ma'am business to biro no ko marketing tawge na khanbi do sigi manga je hana khangdragadi ko ma'am tawginu you will end up with zero results. So I hope this message will help you in order to start your marketing strategies. So ma'am aduga ai ma'am dasu ma'am na ai video se ko sigi description ji makhada ai 7 days ko free challenge sama ai pizam ge ma'am adu yeng view ko 7 days ni ko it's absolutely free ko sidai sida 7 days challenge ma'am join to view si yo view ko aduga knowledge singat view AI kamaina sinar kani ko si ma'am taksabni na ado it's everyone welcome ko si yeng muda challenge se yawda ma'am kana gani so thank you everyone please like it share it ko hadi kana umba marketing khangjaning ba ma'am da share to biramo adu subscribe to ko bigno comment thada biramo somna khanging ba topic lai ba sum thada biramo I help to bage thank you everyone cheers bye bye